Namaste everyone, welcome back. Today we enter one of the most powerful classical pranayams, Surya Bheda Pranayama, also known as the vitality stimulating breath. Surya means sun, representing Pingala Nadi, the channel of heat, vitality, dynamism, action and extroversion. Bheda means to pierce or awaken. So this pranayam literally means to awaken the solar, active, energizing force within you. If you ever feel dull, lethargic, cold, unmotivated, low in energy or mentally clouded, this pranayam is medicine. Today we will cover what is Surya Bheda Pranayama, how to practice it step by step, how bandhas are used, the science plus yogic perspective, when to practice, precautions and contraindications, and the powerful benefits. Let's begin. In simple terms, Surya Bheda is right nostril breathing. The right nostril corresponds to Pingala Nadi, the solar channel. When you breathe only through this nostril, the body heats up, energy rises, mind becomes sharp and alert, pranic flow becomes active, lethargy disappears, motivation awakens. This is why ancient text says Pingala Nadi is the channel of vitality and physical strength. Surya Bheda pierces this channel and ignites the dormant solar energy. Sit in any meditative posture, Siddhasana, Siddha Yoni Asana, Padmasana, Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Keep the spine, neck and head in one straight line. Hands in Chin Mudra or Jyan Mudra on the knees. Close your eyes, relax the facial muscles, relax the shoulders, relax the whole body. Watch the natural breath for a minute until it becomes soft and deep. Now prepare for the main technique. Step 1. Nasagrah Mudra. Use the right hand, index and middle finger in between eyebrows. Thumb controls right nostril, ring fingers controls left nostril. Step 2. Close the left nostril. Gently close the left nostril using the ring finger. Step 3. Inhale through the right nostril only. Slow, deep, smooth inhalation. Feel the warmth of the breath. Feel energy rising along Pingala Nadi. Step 4. Internal retention with bandhas. After inhalation, close both nostrils. Apply Jalandhar Bandh, chin lock. Apply Mool Bandh, root lock. Hold only for a few seconds in the beginning. During retention, feel the heat build. Feel the life force intensify. Feel the energy rising upward. Step 5. Release bandhas carefully. First release Mool Bandha. Then raise the head and release Jalandhar Bandha. Step 6. Exhale through the right nostril only. Left nostril stays closed. This completes one round. Start with 10 rounds daily. Later increase to 10 to 15 minutes slowly. Breathing ratio optional for later stages. Only when the practitioner becomes comfortable, start with 1:1:1. Inhale, ratio, hold, ratio, exhale. Then move to 1:2:2. Advanced practitioner may go to 1:4:2. Never force or strain the breath. While practicing, keep your awareness on warmth in the breath, rising energy, right side of the body, Pingala Nadi activation, solar energy awakening, lightness in the mind, alertness in the senses. After a few rounds, the entire right side feels warm and active. Mental fog disappears. Thoughts slow down but becomes sharp. This is why it is an excellent pre-meditation pranayama. First, physical benefits. Creates heat in the body, improves digestion, removes lethargy, helps in low blood pressure, effective in treating coldness and chill, useful in infertility, increases vitality, kills intestinal worms, mentioned in text. Second, mental and emotional benefits. Activates Pingala Nadi, solar energy, makes the mind alert, sharp and perceptive, reduces depression, boosts motivation and drive, increases confidence, remove dullness and heaviness. Third, energetic benefits. Awakens prana, increases extroversion and dynamism, balances Vata dosha, prepares body and mind for higher pranayams. This is why yogis used Surya Bheda before meditation or before any physical sadhana requiring energy and clarity. Avoid if you have high blood pressure, heart disease, epilepsy, severe anxiety. Never practice after food. It interferes with digestion. Do not practice for more than 30 minutes. It may imbalance the system. Should be learned under expert guidance because of strong bandhas and retention work. Best time, morning, before meditation, when you feel dull, cold or low energy, before study or intellectual work, when feeling sad or low in mood, during winter season, avoid in summer afternoons. Sit quietly for a minute after the practice. Feel the warmth, feel the energy, feel the clarity in your mind. Bring palms together, rub them lightly, place over your eyes. Gently open your eyes. This is Surya Bheda Pranayama, the ancient yogic technique for awakening your inner fire and vital energy. Thank you for joining me. Check out the full pranayam playlist on my channel to understand every pranayam in depth. Until then, Namaste.